So I have received in shipment these hopefully traveling boots that I'll be able to wear in the snow. This Grantstone. I have received Nick boots last week. It didn't fit, so I returned it for a size exchange. Now that's going to take a year because I'm going to be leaving in less than a month now. And possibly snow around areas. I wanted to have the potential of partially broken in snow boots so I don't have to wear galoshes, and I didn't want to wear or bring galoshes and anti-skid pants, so I bought this 9EEE in black brass boots. Not sure it's gonna fit. This was based on Brannock measurements mainly. Here is the presentation. The Grantstone was founded by Randy and his son Wyatt Gilmore, run out of Baroda, Michigan, which is southwest Michigan across the bay from Chicago. His dad, Randy Gilmore, used to work for Alden shoes. They founded a factory after he lived there for 8 years in Xiamen, China, which is southeast China, across the way from Taiwan. And over those many years, they trained and discussed with the Chinese people there on how to make nearly bespoke shoes for a good price using material shipped to them from places like Horween, Chicago, which is what this leather is. This is Horween leather. It comes pre-laced, it looks like. Very nice presentation for the shoes. Looks like they even include this beer opener shoehorn. Venetian leather balm to this Grantstone Chrome Excel leather. This supposedly should soften it a little bit, and the balm over the Venetian cream has a little bit more wax to it. I'll be using to apply it, and this is going to probably blacken it quite a bit. So I have a drop foot, which is why I've got this thing. So yeah, I've got gloves on. I shall get started. This is a blackening treatment. But it's not a dye, so it should just more or less apply conditioning and wax to these areas. So that's it for, I've only used maybe, I don't know, 1/10 of this. So that'll be good enough for hopefully a long time. Now I'm going to use this is the darker brush. I think I started with this one, didn't I? And then basically work the cream in before it dries. By brushing it up a million different ways, a million different directions. Scrubbing it in. So that does it.